Once upon a time in a faraway land, there existed an enchanted garden unlike any other. This garden was a place of wonder and magic, where flowers whispered secrets and trees danced in the gentle breeze. In the heart of the garden, there stood a magnificent fountain that sparkled with iridescent light, its waters imbued with the essence of dreams. One sunny morning, a curious young explorer named Lily stumbled upon the garden's hidden entrance. As she stepped through the archway, she was greeted by a chorus of melodious birdsong and the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers. Butterflies fluttered around her, leading the way deeper into the magical realm. Along the winding paths, she encountered friendly woodland creatures who shared stories of the garden's past. As the sun began to set, the garden transformed into a spectacle of twinkling lights and mystical shadows. Fireflies illuminated the night, painting the air with a soft glow. And at the center of it all, under the canopy of a majestic oak tree, Lily found herself surrounded by the garden's most precious inhabitants, a family of playful fairies. They welcomed her with open arms, inviting her to join in their midnight feast of starlight fruits and moonbeam nectar. As the night unfolded, the garden came alive with laughter and joy, creating memories that would forever sparkle in Lily's heart. And so, with the first light of dawn, she bid farewell to her newfound friends, carrying with her the magic of the enchanted garden wherever she roamed. The end.